better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you're not, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, I'll be working with Curlsqueen hair. Curlsqueen is pretty much a brand that signifies women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair, and I'm loving that. Like, that whole slogan, it's pretty on point, because I feel so gorgeous right now with these bundles and matching frontal. So Curlsqueen went ahead and sent me their 13x6 HD lace frontal and 2 matching bundles of their water curly unit. These bundles are so thick, and I talk more about it in the end of the video in my review portion. So if you'd like to see, just keep on watching. I made it into a wig and I just did a glueless install. This lace is gorgeous. This hair is gorgeous. Look at how nice and fluffy. Like, I know you guys are seeing this, and the hair isn't even all the way dry yet. So I know when it gets dry, it's gonna be a little bit more fluffier. It's really nice and soft right now. And I just did a water and conditioner mix, if you're wondering what's in the spray bottle. And they send a lot of goodies with your bundles and frontals. And if you would like to make it into a wig, definitely do that. There are so many tutorials here on YouTube for you to do that. And like, if you're going to a professional, you could get it done as well. I'm so in love with this hair, and I'm gonna stop rambling on because this video in itself is just chef's kiss. I loved working with Curlsqueen, and let me just show you guys how to go ahead and get this gorgeous glueless install with my Curlsqueen bundles.
I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and love is all that's there.
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the KO. No white lighter, still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a change it. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the Reverend. Preaching self-made millionaires at it. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. every night. Fucking baby, I'm going for my night. You know I get in and spend the night. Oh my gosh, wanna see the runner, wanna die, wanna feel another look. You come by, go with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down, see me broke down. Trip stars, every day shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a vacation. Every day shit, every night shit, every day shit, every day shit, every day shit. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that kill. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs in the changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the reverend. Preaching self-made millionaires status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a habit. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night. Fucking baby, I'm going for my night. You know I get in and spend the night. Oh my gosh. Wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another look. Go with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down, see me broke down. Trip stars, every day shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a vacation. Every day shit, every night shit, every day shit, every day shit, every day. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that kill. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs in the changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a habit. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night. Fucking baby, I'm going for my night. You know I get in and spend the night. Oh my gosh. Wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another look. You come by, go with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down, see me broke down. You know I get in and spend the night. Oh my gosh. Wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another look. You come by, go with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down, see me broke down. Trip stars, every day shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a vacation. Every day shit, every night shit, every day shit, every day shit, every day. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that kill. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs in the changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the reverend. Preaching
And this gorgeous unit is from Curlsqueen. You guys, look at how voluminous this hair is getting. Like, I stopped diffusing and I just went ahead and had it air dry just a little bit, but this is their water curly hair, and usually I sell my units after I wear them, but this one is a keeper. Like, look, let's get into the texture real quick. Curlsqueen, this water curly from Curlsqueen hair is to die for. So right now I literally only have 2 bundles in and a 13x6 matching HD lace frontal. You guys, their bundle was so thick. I said it in one of my Instagram stories. I'm going to put it, insert it right here. I never believed this company when they said I only needed 2 bundles. This is pretty much like 7 rows of tracks because I double it. So you see like the flips, that's like 2 rows per these things, and then that's 1 row. Look at how dense. I need to get my hand on bundles like these. I literally posted it on Instagram and I am literally so shook because 1 bundle of their hair is 150 grams, which is also equivalent to 5.3 ounces. And if you know anything about hair, that means you only need 2 bundles to pretty much do a full head of a sew-in or anything. It's equivalent to 3.5 or 4 bundles of regular wefted hair. So Curlsqueen is giving you a bang for your buck with these super thick water curly bundles, and they're matching frontal. So this 13x6 frontal was definitely true to length because it does go all the way back here. So if I needed to do like a longer part or a wider swoop, it could have been done. And this hair it's just drying down so beautifully. I am so in love with this hair. So thank you so much to Curlsqueen hair for sending me this gorgeous frontal and bundle combo. I made a wig with it and this is just the end result. I'm living for the texture. It's nice and soft, and you guys, this hair is thick. We are about 75% dry, so in here it's still a bit damp, so I know it has a lot of volume to go. Like if I just keep fluffing it, it's just gonna get bigger and bigger, and I'm in love. So if you'd like to get your hands on these bundles, these water curly bundles from Curlsqueen hair in 22 inches and a matching 18-inch frontal, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sending me this gorgeous hair. Like, I'm in love. So that is pretty much it for today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.